As an aid station outside Mogadishu, George Bush saw the results of this friendly invasion. With American protection, these children are now getting the food they need.
President Bush was greeted by the human face of Operation Restore Hope this morning. In Baidoa, hundreds of young Somalis orphaned by war and famine reached forward to greet him, to thank him for... The capital, Mogadishu, provided the last setting for the president's two-day visit. It was where the operation began, where most of the soldiers are still based. It was also where, on New Year's Eve, the heaviest fighting broke out since the troops arrived.
The saboteurs of Siad Barre, those who we have removed from the power, they want it again.
Despite U.S. efforts, peace remains elusive in Somalia. More positively, President Bush leaves for Moscow to sign an arms...
Away from the chaos in Mogadishu, Somalia's warlords chose Addis Ababa to meet for peace talks. For years, they've been involved in a power struggle that's lost thousands of lives to war and famine. The UN Secretary-General issued a warning.
The crisis of Somalia can only be resolved by Somali people themselves.
But few international observers attending this conference hold any serious hope that the meeting really heralds the start of a new future for the